In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25 and today I would like to show you how you can edit password in Passwords Manager. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section, Passwords, Passkeys and Accounts. Then choose Open under Google and hit Google Password Manager. Following that, tap on any password you wanna edit and enter your screen lock. Then hit Edit button and change whatever you want to. Then hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!